I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and the YouTube app is signed in. Once done, put the car in park and access sync settings to open Bluetooth pairing. This prevents distractions and ensures stable connection. You'll pair the phone as a new device. Tap Add Bluetooth Device on Sync, then on your phone select the vehicle name. This initial pairing lets audio and media controls pass between phone and head unit, so you can control playback from the car. After pairing, make sure the phone's audio output is switched to the forward sync device. Otherwise, YouTube will keep playing through the phone speaker. If your vehicle supports Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, connect via USB and open YouTube Music or approved apps. This gives better control and metadata display. If using Bluetooth only, grant media permissions so Sync can access playback controls. Once permissions are set, start a YouTube video and test pause/play, skip, and volume from the steering wheel, or to finish, fine-tune Sync's audio settings and volume so spoken audio is clear without distortion. If metadata or controls don't appear, switch connection methods. Try USB with CarPlay/Android Auto instead of Bluetooth to restore full functionality. Make sure both Phone OS and YouTube app are up to date, and check forward sync firmware updates when available. If you still have trouble, restart the phone and head unit. This often clears Bluetooth caches. One key tip: reconnecting via USB usually solves control and metadata issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.